Hurricane Melissa inflicted misery, Jamaica cannot lose sight of the fact that we are just about a week away from the final window in final round World Cup qualifying football. The Reggae Boyz go into Trinidad on Thursday the 13th and return home on Tuesday the 18th to host Curaçao. And we don't have to repeat the importance of these two games. Now, with all the destruction and the dislocation, especially across Western Jamaica, as much of these images as possible need to be presented to the Jamaican players and the coaching staff. Make the ball of them know that this right here is an attempt by nature to destroy a part of the soul of Jamaica. And come the 13th against Trinidad and the 18th against Curaçao, you gentlemen will be playing to regain and restore the heart and soul of Jamaica. If that don't spur them into action with conviction, well, nothing will.